Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Cree and on this channel I do hair and makeup. In this video I'm going to be doing a high frontal ponytail and I'm just going to be talking you through the steps, so enjoy. Firstly, I've taken her hair section by section and slicked it up into a high ponytail. I've used Gummy to do this. All the products I am using, I'm going to list down in the description bar below so you know exactly what I'm using. Then going to take a frontal that we've previously used before and cut off the excess ends. When you do a high ponytail, you don't want the ends of the lace sticking out. So we have to cut off the ends to make it in like a triangle kind of shape. So when you slick it up, you cannot see the ends of the frontal. I'm then going to take some rubbing alcohol and take off any excess makeup or oils that is on her skin. If they do have makeup or oil on their skin, then the lace frontal will not stick properly and will lift after maybe a few hours or a couple of days. I'm then going to take bold hold and distribute it in front of her hairline and then spread it out with the end of the comb. You don't want to use your fingertips because you have oil on your fingertips and it will go onto your glue. You want to make sure you use 2 coats, at least 2 coats, so it's tacky enough and will stick the lace on. You're then going to take your frontal and line it up on her hairline. You don't want to stick it down straight away because you want to make sure that you're lining it up properly and then you can stick it down properly. I'm then going to tie the hair up and get out of the way so I can wrap the elastic band over the hairline. When you wrap the elastic band over the hairline, this basically allows it to melt into the skin. If you want baby hairs, it will be a good idea to part out the baby hairs that you want before you put the elastic band down. Otherwise, it's just going to stick. The hairs will stick in the same direction as what you do when you put the elastic band on. Because in this video I completely forgot to do that and then I was like, oh man, I wanted baby hairs, so I had to go through all this trouble at the end to try and get my baby hairs back up again. Yeah, just don't do that. In the meantime, I am literally just sticking down the edges and then putting the band down. Once I have done that, I'm then going to start styling the hair. Okay, so now it is time to start getting the frontal hair to blend in with your natural hair. I've gone ahead and I've taken foam to just start off the process. And I'm just getting everything moving in the right direction. And then after this, I'm going to take some gel and then move it again. The gel basically makes it more slicker. The foam just starts off the process of trying to get the hairs to lay in the right direction. Now before I wrap her hair down, I've gone and taken the blow dryer, and you want to take a blow dryer and a brush and just smooth it up. The more you smooth it, the more you blow dry it, it basically dries in the position that you want it to dry in, because obviously you've put foam on and you've put gel on, so the hair is wet. So it's going to take forever for it to dry if you just tie it down like that, so it's better to just brush and dry at the same time. Once you are satisfied with the way that the hair is laying, get a hairband and put it in a hairband. I'm then going to take a little bit more foam and tie it down with a head tie. The hair we are going to be using today is from Shop Tay London on Instagram. Her @ will be in my description bar below, so please do go and check her out. She has HD frontals, Swiss lace frontals, body wave, straight, you name it basically. Before we can add the hair, we need to do a plait in the hair to be able to sew the hair onto the plait. I'm not going to be showing you the whole me sewing it on because I feel like I've done a lot of videos where I've sewn the hair on. So I'm going to try and like skip through that and just list down below a video of me sewing the hair onto the plait. Okay, as you can see, it's two different textures that I've got of hair, but it's just because the one at the bottom is longer. We're going to be curling the hair anyway, so it doesn't matter what texture it is, but as long as you like the length of your ponytail. I'm just finishing up now of just sewing the hair onto the plait, and then we can move on to the wrapping, my favourite part. Okay, so I'm just going to take the whole hair and just clip it out the way and take a little piece from the bottom of the ponytail, so which part I'm going to be wrapping, and pull that out before I clip it. I'm going to be using Got To Be Glue gel and then Got To Be Glue spray to wrap it around. And you already know this step. You're just going to take the gel, put it in the hair, and then you're going to take a comb through it. Make sure the hair is like flat, if you get what I mean. Like you're going to use your fingers to just flatten the hair and the comb, and you're going to wrap, spray, wrap, spray, wrap, spray. You're then going to take a blow dryer and just dry it. If you leave it loose, it could come undone, so just make sure you dry it before your client leaves. Now, if both bundles were both body wave, I could have really left it like this because it looks really, really cute. But we are going to curl the hair, so we're not going to leave it like this. But I've got my curler, and to curl hair is pretty simple, but there is like a little method to it. Okay, so you want to take the curler at the root, and you want to just keep turning the curler at the root. Some people take the curler and put it at the end of the hair and turn it and turn it and turn it, but you actually want to get it at the root and just keep turning, keep getting the hair, pulling it round, keep turning from the root. And the curler actually doesn't move from the root, it just keeps turning and turning. That is the little method to curling hair. Just keep doing that. That way the heat gets to be through the whole hair. Like if you was to do it from the ends, then by the time you get to the root, it's not going to be hot enough because the other hair is going to be in the way of it. Do you get what I mean? So yeah, curl, turn, curl, turn, curl, turn. That is it. See? Cute. to finish up, I'm going to get some got2b glue spray and just spray it at a little distance, and then run my fingers very evenly but not too harshly through the little curls. I don't really run my finger through the whole curl because it kind of loosens it a bit. Push up the ponytail a bit, and yeah, the excess bits is me just doing the baby hairs and then curling the sideburns, and Bob's your uncle. We are done. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you do like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you in my next video. Bye.